your old pal Marshmemello3455, and I am, well, quite frankly, I'm tired. I'm covered in grime, I'm getting sick, and I really don't want to do a video. However, something has come to my attention that I think should be spread in a wider arc. So I'm making a video for anyone who is going to watch my videos so they know. And please spread this because it is very important. Recently, I believe today, I'll double check that and correct myself in the description box like I always do. Today, the Arizona House passed a legislation, 38 to 18 I think it was, that says that any employer can deny contraceptive coverage to female employees, and can in fact ask female employees, why do you even want it? And if they can't prove, for example, by showing employers their medical records, if they can't prove that it's for something like endometriosis or polycystic ovarian syndrome, or to mitigate symptoms of menopause, if they can't prove that, then that employer can deny them coverage of contraception, and can in fact, if they find out that that woman went to pay for her contraception by herself, you know, out of her own pocket, then they can just go ahead and fire her. Now this is in Arizona, and maybe you're thinking, well, I don't live in Arizona. That's fine. I also don't live in Arizona. But the way legal precedent works is, if it's okay there, it's okay here. And until something gets pushed through to the Supreme Court and knocked down by the Supreme Court, then it's still considered legal, and they can do it anywhere. Okay? You hear about war on women in the United States. War on women in the United States. It's a big talking point in the media these days, and it's hard to look at this piece of legislation and see anything but a war on women. Don't give me that religious freedom bullshit. That's not what religious freedom means. Religious freedom, again, does not mean that you get to push your ideas onto other people. That is bullshit, and that idea needs to die. It needs to die 1,000 deaths, because that's not what religious freedom is. If you have any questions about that, just consider your own religious opinions and the exact opposite of those. Somebody, your employer, your educational institution, your insurance company, your government, saying, that doesn't matter because this is what I think and you have to follow that. If you can't see that's bullshit for somebody else, at least look at it from your perspective. I'm sorry. This is really frustrating to me. Spirit of full disclosure, your friend Marshmemello is female. So this is important to me as a female. it is important to me as an atheist. I don't want you to shove your stupid fucking religious bullshit on me, okay? I just really don't. I don't have time for that nonsense. As my brother would say, got time for that jibba jabba. No, I really don't. I just do not have words for how incensed and enraged this makes me. I do not have words for how absolutely asinine this law is, and was passed by a very wide margin in one house in Arizona, is going to the next house, the Senate. Please pass this on, make sure people are aware of it, and if you can, if you live in Arizona, do your part to stop it. Tell your legislatures, this is bullshit. This is not what we want. This is not a progressive, it's not even a conservative stance. It's absolutely activist. It's absolutely an infringement on other people's liberties. Okay? I'm gonna go take a shower now because I'm gross.